Hello everybody, how are you doing? In this video, I am going to show you how to translate any website. Here you can see the website is in French language and I will convert it into English. Click on three dots, go to settings. On the left side, click on advanced and now click on languages. From top, click on this button. I have uh, installed two more languages other than the English. Click on the three dots and check the box offer to translate pages in this language. Click on OK and be sure that this button is on. Offer to translate pages that are not in the language you read. Now open the website that is in French language and refresh it. Here now you can see the translation button. Click on English. Now here you can see the whole website has been translated into English. That's it. If you like this video, please thumbs up. I will catch you in my next tutorial. Bye bye.